Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. We have completed the syllabus of final year. Okay, the annual exam syllabus is over. Now from today we are going to start revision. So see some questions I have written for you. The first question is find the area of a parallelogram having base 1.4 meter and height 6 meter. So see children, how will you solve this question? We have to find area of a parallelogram. We know the formula for area of a parallelogram, base into height. This is the formula children. Here base is given 1.4 meter and height 6 meter. So just multiply and get your answer. 6 into 4 24, 6 into 1 6 2 8. 8.4 meter square. This is the area of this parallelogram. Second question is find the area of a circle having radius 5.6 centimeter. See how to solve. Area of a circle is equal to pi into r square, where pi is 22 by 7 and r is the radius. That means 5.6 centimeter whole square. Now solve it and get your answer. 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6 centimeter square. You can see that 7 is dividing 5.6 by 0.8 times. That means 0.8. Now multiply all the three numbers and you will get your answer. 5.6 is multiplied by 17.6. 22 into 0.8. It will become 17.6 and that is multiplied by 5.6. So see what are you getting? 6 into 6 36, 3 carry on. 6 into 7 42 plus 3 45, 4 carry on. 6 into 1 6 plus 4 10. 5 into 6 30, 3 carry on. 5 7 is 35, 3 38, 3 carry on. 5 3 8. So 6 5 8 9. So you will get the radius, you will get the area of the circle is 98.56 centimeter square. Okay, you can see that the questions are directly based on the formula. See the question number 3. If circumference of a circle is 110 centimeter, find its radius. Here circumference is equal to 110 centimeter. This is given. We know that circumference means 2 pi r. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and r is the radius. So from here radius is equal to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 into 20 will come down and this 7 will be multiplied with 110. 22 dividing 110 by 5 times. 2 dividing 7 by 3.5 times. That means radius of the circle is equal to 5 into 3.5 centimeter. That means 17.5 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Now see the question number 4. Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So here area of a rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into product of diagonals. That means 1 by 2 into 12 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Now 2 dividing 20 by 10 times. 10 into 12 is 120 centimeter square is the area of the rhombus. All the questions are based on the formula, children. Learn the formula and then your question will be easy. Note down so that we can do some more questions. Okay, now see question number 5. If a parallelogram with area P, a rectangle with area R and a triangle with area T are all constructed on the same base and between the same altitude, then which of the following statement is true? See, there are 4 options given. P is equal to 2T, T is equal to 1 by 2R, P is equal to R and P plus T equal to R. So see children how to solve this question. Solution number 5. Here one parallelogram, one rectangle and one triangle. There are 3 things given. But the condition is all constructed on the same base and between the same height. Means suppose this is the base on which one parallelogram is given. See this one. Suppose this A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. On the same base, suppose that A, B, E, F, this is a rectangle. Okay? Since same base and between the same altitude, altitude means height, and suppose that APB, this is the triangle. Let ABCD is a parallelogram, ABEF a rectangle, and ABP a triangle having the same base and same altitude h. Suppose that this is the altitude h. Okay, so from here you can see that area of parallelogram will be which is P. This is equal to AB into H, because AB is the base, H is the height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Now area of rectangle, we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. AB is the length, B is the breadth. If you notice carefully, this BE is equal to altitude h. Are you watching? The BE, because every angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Every angle of rectangle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. So these two lines are parallel to each other, and so this h height will be equal to BE. That is why area of rectangle, which is R given in the question, R is also AB into H. So from here you can see that area of parallelogram and area of rectangle are equal to each other. Now what will be the area of triangle? Area of triangle, we know that area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. Area of triangle is T given in the question, which is equal to 1 by 2 into AB into H. Now see, the first option P is equal to 2 times T. So we will check it. From here you can see that AB into H. From here you can see that this is equal to P. This is equal to P. That means 2T is equal to P. This option is correct. First option is true. Second option, T is equal to 1 by 2R. So see this one. Since T is equal to 1 by 2 into AB into H. So 1 by 2 into R, because AB into H is the area of rectangle also. So you are watching that the second statement is also true. Now check the third one. P is equal to R. See here, since P is equal to AB into H, but AB into H is equal to R also, that means P into R is also correct. It means if these three are correct, then non-correct will be D option. That is, area of parallelogram plus area of triangle is equal to area of rectangle. This statement is wrong. And your question is asking which statement is not true. That means option D. This statement is not true. You can check it also. P plus T is equal to R. You have to check this one. P is AB into H plus T is 1 by 2 into AB into H. R is AB into H. So you are watching that this side is greater than this one, because AB plus H both are same. 1 by 2 AB into H is added with the left hand side. That means these two statements are not equal. When you put the value of P, T and R, you are finding that the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is why the fourth option is wrong. Understood? Now see the question number 6. In the solution question number 6, a rectangular playing ground is 30 meter long and 16 meter wide. Suppose you have made this rectangle which is 30 meter long and 16 meter wide. Question is asking, find the distance between opposite corner. So these two are the opposite corners. We have to find this distance. Children, we know that angle of rectangle is always 90 degree. So if we have to find this length, the length between opposite corner, so you can see that this triangle is looking like a right angled triangle. Actually it is right angled triangle in which base is 30 meter and height is 16 meter. So we can find the hypotenuse. That means length between or distance between. Write down distance. Distance between opposite corner. Opposite corner is equal to square root of 30 meter whole square plus 16 meter whole square. By the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to square root of base square plus perpendicular square. Now calculate and get your answer. 30 square is 900 meter square. 1600 is 256. By adding both, 1156 meter square. If we find the square root of 1156, I think 36 should be the answer. Just check it. No, 36 is not the answer. Then check 34. Yes. Is 34 into 34 becomes 1156. It means square root of 1156 is 34 meter. That means the distance between the opposite corners is 34 meter. Okay, note down these questions.